Liony, what did you learn today from our study with the ducks and the water birds?
Well, I learned that there was ducks and there was geese.
All right, let's write that down. Ducks and geese. And do you know what one duck is called?
Yeah, a duck.
Right, so one duck is called a duck. But do you know what one of the many geese are called?
Yeah, a goose.
Right, one goose and many geese. One duck and many ducks. Do you know what a baby duck is called? Do you remember, kids, from the movie today, the video? Right, a duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. Do you remember what a baby goose is called? Liony remembers. Want to tell them?
A gosling.
A gosling. Do you know what a male duck is called? A male duck?
I think it was a drake.
That's right. A male duck, a boy duck, is called a drake. And a female duck is called either just a plain old duck or a hen. And all of those water birds come from eggs. All baby birds are born from eggs. And when a baby is born, it has fluffy feathers called down. So the feathers on a baby duck, the little soft feathers on a baby duck, it's called down. And do you know what this part of the duck is called?
A beak?
Right, that's a beak. And it has webbed feet.
Webbed feet?
Which means they're good for swimming. And they have like skin in between their toes. And they have wings, right? Right? Baby duck has wings. And it has tail feathers. Of course, it has 2 eyes. And we're going to do an art project now, and we are going to make a duck as a project. Would you like that?
Yeah, that sounds like fun.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed our time out today, and I hope you enjoy this project.